How to download Alight Motion on PC. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Alight Motion on your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So first thing you need to do is search for Alight Motion on your web browser, and once you do that you can scroll down a bit until you find the official website. So you can search for Alight Motion download, and once you do that you will see the result right here. So you make sure that you open up the official website, which is this one. Download Alight Motion for PC. It's alightmotionpc.net. Then from here you just want to click on download Alight Motion PC. Go ahead and click on this one right here, and now it will start the download process. Alternatively, what you can do is search it on your Microsoft Store. So just open up your store on your computer, and once you open it up you can just go ahead and search for Alight Motion on the search bar. Once you search for it, go ahead and hit enter. And once you find the application from this list, you can start downloading. And if you still want to download it from your website, then you can do that as well. So you can go ahead and open it up and download the app from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.